Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the 5 really best features of Huawei Mate 10 Lite which really stands out when you're using this phone. Now I've been using this phone for some time now, and these are the 5 things that have stood out in my usage. So the first thing is this beautiful display. Now this is a 5.9-inch full HD IPS LCD panel, and it looks really gorgeous. Not because it is any different, it is the same display that Huawei uses in all of its other mid-range phones, and it is the same here, except that it has a different screen resolution. So it has a screen resolution of 18:9, so it's narrower but taller, so it fills the most of the front of the phone, and that is one of the reasons why it looks absolutely gorgeous. So whenever you turn your phone on, it gives you the impression of such a large display because Huawei was able to fit this 5.9-inch massive display into relatively smaller body, so it does not feel any larger. So the display really stands out, and it looks really beautiful when you're using it. So it's really nice. It's taller, so you have to really use it with 2 hands sometimes. And that brings me to the second standout feature, and that is the build quality of this phone. So it's built of metal and glass, so we have a metal at the back and glass at the front, but it looks just beautiful. This matte black finish is just gorgeous, and I really love using this phone. Handling it is also great. It's really smooth and it's slippery. Overall, it does give an impression and feel of a premium phone because everything about this phone is premium. The build quality is top notch here, and the fingerprint scanner is great. It is fast, and you get this symmetrical look, so everything is perfect build wise. It looks great. You might want to put on a case on it because you don't want to damage this beautiful build quality. And attention to detail is great, and these buttons are really clicky and they work really fine and nice. I guess they're also metal. There are speaker grills at the bottom, charging port and headphone jack. Overall, it's built beautifully, and you really enjoy using this phone, and eventually you just feel like you're using a high-end premium phone, not a mid-range phone, and that is what really stands out, and you eventually start to love using this phone. Now the third thing that has really impressed me while my usage of this phone, and that is the battery. Now it is powered by 3340 mAh of battery, but when I started using this phone, battery life turned out to be phenomenal. So you can easily get 6 hours of screen on time. So and that is with streaming online music, taking photos, alternating between 4G and Wi-Fi and things like that, playing games and texting, using WhatsApp, social media. So you easily get 6 hours of screen on time. It is very difficult to drain it in one day because the standby time is great. So when you're not using this phone, it will not use up any battery. We've got a power saving mode, ultra power saving mode, power saving from apps, power saving from screen. There are tons of power saving modes, so you can even get more out of the battery. Battery life is just great, and also one of the best features of this phone. That brings me to this 4-camera system on this phone. So we have got 2 cameras at the back and 2 at the front, 16 and 2 megapixel cameras at the back, 13 and 2 megapixel at the front. And basically these cameras help you take really great bokeh effects and background blur effects in your photos. And what I have learned from my usage is that they work best when you have a lot of light. So the best time to take these bokeh effects is outdoors in bright day sunlight, or if you're indoors, there needs to be a lot of artificial lighting, otherwise it just won't work. And that brings me to the 5th and the last best feature of this phone, and that is the software and it's crazy options that you get with this phone. So there are a lot of options. So if you go in settings, you will see that there are tons and tons of options. You get a home screen style where you can either opt for a drawer or remove it. You have got display settings, and there are tons of settings here, so you can change the view mode, text size, screensaver, eye comfort, brightness, color temperature, sleep, rotation mode. There are tons and tons of settings in each of them. There are navigation panel options here, so you can add this notification pull down button and remove it. And then there are smart assistance options, so you get a floating dock if you turn it on, motion control, one-handed UI. You've got knuckle gestures here. You've got options with the fingerprint scanner to pull down the notification panel, to take photos, to take calls, to silent alarms. Tons of options. And then there is touch disable mode, gloves mode. That's about it from this video, guys. Those were the 5 best features of Huawei Mate 10 Lite. If you have any questions from me, let me know in the comments, so you can catch me up on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.